Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me alone today, guys. Me alone. And we just want to apologize for not posting as often as we should. It kind of hectic, guys. The past, ever since we come back from vacation, ever since we came back from vacation, it has been rough to do videos or to just upload overall because I'm working 10 hours a day, Matt working on the night shift, the kids always on doing activity and da. So I'm just coming on here doing a quick video to give a life update. I did my COVID vaccine, but that went kind of well. After I took the COVID vaccine, I got not really sick, but I had to stop one day from work. I took it the Monday. I was okay the Monday. I went to work the Monday. And the following day, I called in sick. Wasn't feeling well. My arm hurt from my head go back down to my feet hurt. My back hurt. I wish somebody could tell me that the second dose of the vaccine give all of those side effects. People, I was literally in pain. If me lift my hand so, it hurt me. And the second vaccine, when they stick me with a needle, I felt it like somebody used a nail and a pierce me and a pierce me in my arm. That's how it felt for me. That's my experience. Matthew went and took his. Matthew took his. He didn't have any fever, and with mine I didn't have any fever. I just felt nauseous and pain all over. Matt took his. It went well. He was just a little bit tired, and that's it. And the same thing for Alex. Alex took his a couple days ago. The same thing. He's a little bit tired, and that's it. Another thing. Today is the first day of school. I will put clippings of Jamoy and Maya first day back to school. Alex first day back to school today, but I was already gone to work by the time Alex leave for school. But Monday is going to be the real beginning, real back to school day for Alex, because today was like to pick up his timetable, to know which class he was going to go in, although he already knew which classes he was going to go in. Yeah, well, that's it. So just to give you a quick rundown of what's been happening lately. And during the summertime is when I work the most. I work during summer the most. 10 hours, 10 and a half, 11 hours a day. And by the time I go to work, after which I work 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, I reach home 6 o'clock, leave work 6 o'clock. So by the time I get home, prepare something to eat, bathe the kids, put them to bed. I'm so tired, I can't pick up the camera. And then while I'm at work, it's not possible. And then the weekends, it's even more difficult because by the time you quit, Saturday and Sunday done, I gone back at work. So now that school is back in session, I'll be having more time on my hand to pick up the camera. Save me even start my year a couple of days now, I can't finish it. Start my year a couple of days now, so the whole of this side now do just look a bit on the side, the back, so the whole entire ear so not finished. What else? Yeah, as I was saying, like school is in session now. I will have more time on my hand to do videos because a lot of you guys have been messaging me on Instagram asking me why am I not posting. You guys miss us. We miss you too. And guys, we're close to 1K. We got to 1K today and lose some subscribers. So let's keep us the fingers crossed. It would go ahead and mount up back to 1K. Go back and mount up back to 1K. I am so grateful. We love you guys. We love you guys. We appreciate you. And we just want you guys to continue to support us as we continue to put out content for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to put the clippings with Jimoy Maya. Ooh. Hello, Maya. Maya. Maya, you sleep off your Charlotte. Look, you sleep off your Charlotte. Maya. Maya. Elle veut pas aller en CP?
Maya. C'est aujourd'hui la rentrée.
Elle est à Charlotte, Maya. Maya, sleep off her Charlotte. Maya head sleep off her head. Poor thing. Ben oui, c'est jour de la rentrée, comme. Yeah, they might not stop sleeping with one another, yeah? Tiens. Put back your Charlotte. You don't put it on now. You just put it down, you don't have to put it on now. Turn around, let me see your hairstyle to pull up. Turn again. Some washer here last night. And just give 2 bread backwards like that. Alright, first day of school. Maya, turn around, let me see you. This is how Maya look for the first day of school with her big bag. And Jamoy is over there. But Maya will be going into grade 1 in France. They call grade 1 CP. And Jamoy will be going into grade 3. Show them, I forgot. She lost her second front teeth. You know, she's happy, she's excited to go to school. There you go. So today is the 2nd of September. Thursday the 2nd of September. Now I was supposed to be 7 o'clock. And they're off to school. You're going to grade 3. And Maya grade 2. Maya grade 1. So you will see more throughout the day. Alright, so the prince now. Jamoy? You happy?
Yeah.
Alright, go. So just a little piece of Jamoy going to school. They are so excited. Me too. And Matt is sleeping, so he won't be coming with me this morning. He won't be coming this morning for the first day of school with Jamoy and Maya, because he's working on the night shift, so it's just not too long reach one. and he gone to in bed. So me and them alone this morning. Alex is going to start school today also, but Alex will be going in at 10 o'clock. Alex will be going in at 10 o'clock. But Jeremiah and Naya, they break. They're going to school now. Back to school now. So see you guys in another video. Bye.